guys, today is my Glossy Box. My name's Fawn, this is my channel, and well, I do lots of unboxings and shopping and things like that, and I just try to be a happy person. So if you like what you see, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. As I say, it's Glossy Box, and look how beautiful the inside box is. This one is a keeper. I don't keep them all, you can imagine, I'd be drowning, but this one's a keeper. And I've made some sort of mistake. I think when I ordered the Black Friday Glossy Box, it was reduced to members, and somehow it didn't recognise that I was a member and signed me up again, because this month I've got 2 Glossy Boxes. Now I don't know if they're the same, I'm going to check at the end. I'm just going to open this one first, and then if there is any difference when I open the other one, I'll let you know. So I've got some leaflets that were in there. Laithwaite's wine, Vision Direct, HelloFresh. Oh, and what is this? Hi, you beautiful winter queen. Babe is sneaking into December Glossy Box. There must be something in the box. To offer members 50% off all Babe wine. That's quite good, isn't it? It's wine in a can, I think. And it's got Babe White with bubbles, Babe Rosé with bubbles. 50%. That's not bad, is it? So if you do want to buy anything from Drink Babe Net, you just put in the code GLOSSYBABE, all in capitals, just put that there, Glossy Babe, and you'll get 50% off. It's actually a really good idea. But back to the most important thing. And it says best time of the year. And I'm so glad it's pink. Everything's been black and gold and this one's pink and so pretty. And inside, as always, it's beautifully wrapped, and it has the ribbon, which I will attempt to undo. I've moved slightly because the sun keeps wanting to glare into the camera. Sorry guys. And here's my leaflet with all the things that are inside, and it says Merry Christmas Glossies inside, yay! And it's very, very pretty pink paper. And here we go. So first up is Symbiosis. This is a full size. It is AHA and RNA, so it's glycolic acid and RNA. It's an overnight rejuvenating eye serum. I have so many eye things, not that I think many of them make any difference, but I'm willing to give this one a go as well. This one is full size, and the RRP on it is £102. I'm just going to put my glasses on and check that I'm saying that right. Yep, 102 RRP. I'm sure you must be able to get it cheaper than that somewhere, but that's a lot of money. So what does it say? It says it's an overnight serum. It's the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. Glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness and excess oils. Does anyone get blackheads around their eyes? I get them all over my nose, but sometimes on my chin. Can't say that I've ever had one around my eye. But anyway, well, RNA helps skin combat the signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles and brown spots. With its shimmering properties, third key ingredient, mica, aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother, softer and more radiant complexion. You know me. Happy with that. Happy to give it a go. Okay, next is a bottle of nail polish. It's by Nailberry. Haven't heard of them. This again is full size, and it's called Strawberry Jam. It is a lovely colour. Can you see that? That is really nice. Somewhere between a pink and a red, like strawberries would be. No look would be complete this December without festive inspired fingernails. Cool, confident and with a dash of old school glamour. The vibrant hue of this dark red pink Strawberry Jam nail polish is a sublime choice. Oxygen polishes are also considerate of your nails' future health, utilising patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure. An RRP on here of £15. Not heard of them, but I like that idea that it's kinder to your nails, because particularly reds and blacks and things like that, they tend to stain the nail and really stay there for quite a long time. So this is the colour you're going to be. Look, my hands aren't painted either at the moment, so, or my nails aren't painted at the moment, so definitely, I like it. Next, Wonder Beauty. Full size. This is 1 sachet of Baggage Glam gold eye masks. You know, I use some gold eye masks, but they're not fancy ones like this. These are worth £4. A full size 6-pack is £20, so they're saying one is £4. Let's have a look what it says. Experience these innovative Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these gold under eye masks, perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into your skin, whereas the second and third layers ensure the masks stay put and deliver key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Your complexion will instantly appear visibly brighter and more hydrated after use. Well, again, anything to do with eyes I'm really into, and I am trying to find my holy grail. Maybe this will be it. Then we have a full-size Sport FX Blend and Go makeup sponge. They've all got different names, haven't they? I mean, I just call them beauty blenders, but I know beauty blender is a particular make, isn't it? I'm not supposed to say it about everything, but this one's Blend and Go. It says achieve a glowing complexion and a flawless base for your Christmas party looks with this unique 8-sided, oh gosh, it is as well. Can you see that? Each side is flat and there are 8 of them. It's a bit like a pencil, do you know what I mean? And then of course, I suppose you have the round bit on the bottom. Whether you're using skincare products or primers, applying foundation and concealer, or adding contour definition with highlighter, there's an angle for your every need. Top tip, dampen the sponge with water when applying liquid and cream formulas for a streak-free and dewy finish, but use dry with powdered products. I'm always happy to get, I was about to say it again, a beauty blend. I'm always happy to get a beauty sponge. As you know, I mostly use a brush, but there are occasions when I will spend the time going dib, 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 just to make it nice. So yeah, give it a go. And that was worth £4.99. And finally, we have Palmer's. It's their cocoa butter. Now you could get either the jar, which is I have got, it's the solid jar, or you could get a little bottle of the lotion. I have the solid one. It says nourish your skin during the colder winter months with the help of Palmer's. Both the brands Cocoa Butter Original Solid Jar and All Over Body Lotion contain ethically and sustainably sourced pure cocoa butter, which is enriched with vitamin E. They're cult classics and they relieve dry skin. They also help blend marks, scars and stretch marks. So the solid jar, this is a deluxe mini, and it's 30 grams, is, oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, it's worth £1.50. And a full size jar of it would be £4.29. And the lotion, again, would be £1.50 and full size £4.29. I'm happy to have it. It's got a funny smell, this stuff, hasn't it? The cocoa butter. Some people love it and some people hate it. And I'm a not sure about it. I don't really like walking around smelling of it. But my younger daughter loves it. Swears by it and will happily have this. So that was it. So, the cocoa butter, the makeup sponge, the nail polish, eye masks, and the Symbiosis, which is, you know, the big ticket item in the box, which I really do hope works. Now, as I say, I got 2 of these boxes because of a mistake somewhere along the line. So I'm just going to check the other box and see if it's exactly the same, and I'll pop back and tell you. So yes, my second box is exactly the same, even down to the fact that it's the solid jar of cocoa butter in here. But it's lucky, I suppose. I'll get in touch with them and cancel the second box because I don't need 2. But the things in it were so nice. I can share them amongst my daughters, and well, it makes it sound like I've got 27 daughters. I've only got 2, but I can share them with my daughters and they'll be just as happy. So it's a mistake, but it still only cost me, what is it, I think £13, £15 for this box, so I really don't mind. So that's me. I've caught up on quite a bit today. I think this was the last one. A successful day today for me, and I hope it's a successful day for you, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Okay, bye guys.